Hi! In front of me is POCO X3 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, go into Gallery app and hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. I will go into Albums, go into Camera, and then hold this one. Now to select multiple ones right away, click on Select All at the top right corners. If you wish to exclude some of them, just click on the chosen ones. I don't want to get rid of, for example, this one. Now to delete the rest of them, choose Remove at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my pictures were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!